version of more of the same, and I'm sure writers out there do too. What did more of the same look like for you?
Well, so I had joined a group, and they're a great group. I love them. I'm part of their community over the summer, and it was a coaching group. And they had a professional, I guess, editor who was leading kind of our small group. And the sessions were just kind of like, oh yeah, that was great. That was amazing. And these are some things I liked about it. Which, look, those are helpful, and they're very heartfelt. But I felt, look, if I'm looking for advice from somebody who's a professional, I want the real advice. I'm not doing this for a hobby. I mean, I guess I am, but that's not my end goal, right? I couldn't stop writing even if you told me I would never publish, but that's not my end goal. And so getting the same feedback from somebody who supposedly is a professional as I got from my monthly writers group, it it just wasn't worth the cost that I was paying for that.
If you've enjoyed this writing tip, please be sure to subscribe to the Writing Gym podcast. If you're ready and serious about finishing that novel, head on over to datewiththemuse.com/book a call to talk with our team.